Nerve injury may be difficult to treat, but nature has provided us with some strong friends in the shape of drinks that can help with nerve healing and general neurological health. Here are 9 beneficial beverages that might help heal nerve damage. First one is green tea. Green tea's key benefit to nerve health is its high content of antioxidants, notably EGCG. These antioxidants battle oxidative stress, which is a major cause of nerve injury. Regular use of green tea may increase brain function and cognitive ability, as well as help with nerve repair and regeneration. Green tea also includes anti-inflammatory effects, which may help with nerve discomfort. Second one is turmeric latte. Turmeric lattes, often known as golden milk, contain curcumin, a substance with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Studies have demonstrated that curcumin promotes nerve regeneration and reduces inflammation around injured nerves. This golden beverage also promotes general brain health, making it an excellent supplement to any diet designed to improve neurological function. Third one is blueberry smoothie. Blueberries include antioxidants such as vitamin C and K, which protect nerve cells from free radical damage. These nutrients aid in nerve tissue regeneration and oxidative stress reduction, hence improving general brain health. Incorporating blueberries into smoothies makes it easier to absorb these beneficial chemicals on a daily basis. Other advantages include better memory, cognitive function, and slower brain aging. Fourth one is beet juice. Due to its high nitrate content, beetroot juice is known for its potential to increase blood flow, improve blood flow to the brain and muscle, promote nerve function, and help to regenerate injured nerves. This juice is especially beneficial for athletes since it improves workout performance and recuperation. Beetroot juice includes antioxidants that help protect neurons from oxidative stress. Fifth one is spinach and banana smoothie. Spinach contains critical vitamins A, C, and K, as well as magnesium and folate, all of which are necessary for nerve health and regeneration. Bananas are high in potassium, which helps maintain normal nerve function by maintaining the electrical conductivity essential for nerve signaling. This smoothie not only promotes nerve healing but also improves energy and general wellness. Sixth one is ginger tea. Ginger tea's anti-inflammatory characteristics make it a useful cure of relieving the pain and inflammation caused by nerve injury. Ginger tea, when consumed on a regular basis, may help relieve nerve pain problems, including sciatica and neuropathy. Aside from its anti-inflammatory property, ginger improves circulation, which is essential for transferring nutrients to injured nerves for healing. Seventh one is pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice high polyphenol concentration provides potent antioxidant effect. These antioxidants preserve nerve cells and promote neuronal healing. The juice also boosts blood flow, ensuring that injured neurons get the nutrition and oxygen they need to heal. Pomegranate juice may improve cognitive function as well as general nerve health when consumed on a regular basis. Eighth one is aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice is known for its natural healing and anti-inflammatory capabilities. It soothes and repairs injured nerve by lowering inflammation and supplying regenerative ingredients that aid its recovery. The enzyme and vitamin in aloe vera juice also aid in tissue regeneration and hydration, making it an excellent drink for preserving nerve health. Ninth one is water. Water is required for every biological function, including nerve healing, maintaining proper hydration facilities. It facilitates the proper transport of nutrients and oxygen to nerve cells, thereby enabling their repair and regeneration. Staying hydrated helps to keep electrolytes in balance, which is necessary for nerve transmission. Drinking enough water every day is essential for maintaining nerve health and general well-being. Incorporating these 9 fantastic beverages into your regular routine will dramatically improve nerve healing and wellness. Selecting drinks high in antioxidant, anti-inflammatory components, and critical nutrients help your body's natural capability to mend and rebuild damaged nerves. Proper nerve function is essential for general well-being, influencing everything from cognitive ability to movement. Staying hydrated and ingesting nutrient-dense liquids like green tea, turmeric latte, and beetroot juice will help to lay the groundwork for optimal neurological health. Whether you are healing from nerve damage or trying to avoid it, these beverages provide a natural, easy to follow treatment. Remember that having a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle is essential for improving nerve health and overall well-being. Make these potent beverages a part of your everyday routine and see the result for yourself.